Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most important systems in commercial and industrial HVAC, the chiller system. You'll learn what a chiller is and where it's used. We'll explore the different types of chillers available. And finally, we'll break down how it works, step by step. Whether you're a student, technician, or just curious, this is the perfect beginner guide for you. Ever wondered what a chiller is? It's a machine that removes heat from a liquid, usually water. This chilled water circulates through cooling coils in air handling units. Think of it like your home refrigerator, but on a much larger scale. Chillers are essential for centralized cooling in large buildings. They keep everything cool and comfortable, no sweat. Ever wonder where chillers are used? They're essential for large-scale air conditioning needs. Think hospitals, commercial buildings, and airports. Hotels, industrial factories, and shopping malls rely on them too. Without chillers, these places can't keep comfortable temperatures. Let's talk chillers. Two main types, air-cooled and water-cooled. Air-cooled chillers use air to cool the refrigerant. Water-cooled chillers, they use water and cooling towers. Each has its own benefits and ideal applications. Air-cooled are great for smaller spaces and easier maintenance. Water-cooled are more efficient for larger systems. Choose wisely based on your cooling needs. Stay cool and efficient with the right chiller choice. Ever wondered how a chiller works? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. The compressor compresses the refrigerant, increasing its pressure and temperature. Step 2. The condenser rejects heat to air or water, cooling the refrigerant. Step 3. The expansion valve reduces the refrigerant's pressure, preparing it for cooling. Step 4. The evaporator absorbs heat and chills the water, completing the cycle. Chilled water then flows through air handling units or fan coil units, cooling the space. Chillers are essential in large-scale cooling systems. If you're entering the HVAC field, understanding chillers is crucial. Here's a quick summary. Chillers use refrigerant to chill water. That water cools air through fan coil units and air handling units. Chillers are used in places where split or window ACs are not practical. Example: imagine a hospital with 10 floors. It's impossible to install 50 split units. Instead, one centralized chiller system sends chilled water to every room through insulated pipes. I hope now you clearly understand what a chiller is and how it works. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video with more HVAC knowledge.